Can you survive a malaria infection using only the sickle cell trait? Sickle cell disease is a genetic disorder that affects hemoglobin production in red blood cells. It's a condition where the shape of these cells changes, becoming sickle-shaped, which can cause a range of health issues. But there's a fascinating aspect to sickle cell disease. It seems to offer protection against another deadly illness, malaria. So how can a debilitating disease like sickle cell offer a shield against malaria? Malaria is a devastating disease that affects millions of people worldwide, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. It's caused by a parasite that's transmitted through the bite of an infected mosquito. The World Health Organization estimates that there are over 200 million cases of malaria reported annually, with the majority of these cases occurring in Africa. In fact, Africa accounts for about 90% of all malaria cases and 92% of all malaria deaths. Understanding its connections to other diseases, like sickle cell, is crucial for global health. In regions where sickle cell disease is prevalent, malaria is also a significant threat. The relationship between the two is a classic example of evolutionary adaptation. The sickle cell trait, which is the heterozygous form of the gene, alters the red blood cells in a way that makes them less hospitable to the malaria parasite. When someone has one copy of the sickle cell gene, their red blood cells are not as favorable for the parasite to grow and multiply. This offers a survival advantage, as they're less likely to develop severe malaria. This is why the gene has persisted in populations. It is natural selection in motion. However, there's a trade-off. While having one copy of the gene offers protection against malaria, having two copies leads to full-blown sickle cell disease, which is a debilitating condition. This trade-off is the core of the malaria shield mechanism, where the benefits of the trait outweigh the costs in high-transmission areas. The sickle cell trait acts as a natural defense, a fascinating example of human adaptation. What do you think about this connection? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more videos exploring biological phenomena. This is Tiny Cells, Big Ideas.